Hi everyone, I'm Tanvi from Verdant Official. Today I'll be showing you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. Now, why would you want to install WordPress locally? Normally, if you want to build WordPress site, you would need to buy domain and hosting and then launch your live website. But if you don't want to launch a website yet and just want to try and test WordPress, you can do that by watching this video. Okay, so when you install WordPress locally, all your website file will be stored on your computer, and this means only you will be accessing your website. And once you have built your WordPress site locally, you can then move it to a live website. I will show you how you can do that at the later part of this video, so keep watching. To install WordPress, we follow two steps. First, download software called Bitnami WordPress. So to download it, let's go to our browser and then search for Bitnami WordPress, and it will take you to this page. This is Bitnami WordPress website. Now download Bitnami for Windows. And click this option. Now we start downloading our software. Okay guys. After finishing download, install this software. After finishing first method, we are going to second method. It's called install Bitnami WordPress. Okay guys. Click next. Now fill up these details to access our localhost website. After fill up these details, click next. And now click finish, and it will take you to this page. So WordPress is now installed on your computer. Now to access your site, you just have to click access WordPress, and as you can see, your WordPress site is now running on your PC. You can access your site anytime by going to locally WordPress. Now if you want to log into WordPress, you just add /login and it will take you to the login page of WordPress. You can now log in by entering details that you gave during the installation. So once you have logged in, you can start building your website. Once you have complete building your website, you can then move it to a live website. I will show you in the next video for how to move localhost to live website. That's it guys. This is how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. If you like this video, just click the subscribe button to get more videos from us, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we publish a video. Thanks for watching guys.